Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Lingo Leap Drops Speech Development Liquid. So you might be wondering, what is the Lingo Leap Drops that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Lingo Leap is a liquid dietary supplement for children ages 3 and up. Now, according to Joy Spring here, their website, it contains zeolite, methyl B12, and vitamin D3 and is designed to support focus, learning, natural balance, study energy, and developmental support. Now, the company describes it as kid-friendly liquid with a berry flavor, and it says it is third-party tested and made in the USA. Now, that's according to them. Now, the three main ingredients have different roles according to the website. So first is they have methyl B12, which is described to support or supporting healthy nerve function and natural energy process. Zeolite is described as supporting the body's natural cleaning process or cleansing process. And the D3, vitamin D3 here is described as supporting cognitive function and overall vitality. Now, how to exactly use it? Now, this is according to them. So the instructions are quite simple. You first need to shake the bottle well, fill one dropper to about like 2/3 of the pipette, and either mix it in your child's favorite drink or take it as is. Now, the website recommends it using it daily because according to the company, natural supplements take time to actually take effect. Now, currently the product is listed at around 34.99 as of this moment, but they do have a subscription option here, which is priced at $29.75 with the monthly subscription, which provides like 15% discount and can be canceled anytime. Now, the website also offers 100% money back guarantee, as you can see right now. So in simple terms, Lingo Leap here is a daily liquid supplement for children that combines zeolite, methyl B12, and vitamin D3 in a drinkable formula intended to support focus, development, and overall daily wellness. Now, since this is a supplement intended for children here, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before giving it to children is highly recommended, especially if the child takes medications or other supplements. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.